quick trip. We got a stall right there. That's a real man. Cort, our little cameraman here too. Red! Who's pumped to shoot a duck today? Oh, how you been, man? It's great. What's up, dude? Hell yeah. It's good to see you, man. Alright, how do you feel?
Oh, I'm stoked, dude.
You're stoked.
I got an hour and 30 minutes of sleep.
We're here at a quick trip. We're about to get ourselves some food. Right here, right, Jack?
Yeah, I kind of went in there already. I got 79-cent muffins.
Oh, okay. Cort and I are going to do that really quick.
Yeah,
right,
Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm so pumped. First day getting out. It's electric.
How you doing, Cort?
I'm pretty freaking good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I know you're gonna not see me because of this light, but we're about to get down here. We're gonna throw the A-frame on this thing and sit in here, and it's gonna get you crazy. I'm just gonna, yeah, I'll do it. It's all right. We got this. No, you're gonna sit by Cort. Yeah. All right. Well, see you guys in a little bit. Stay tuned. All right. Well, we're out here. We're set up. We made it to the spot. It's 6:16, right? Yeah, 6:16. So we got a little bit. We just finally got set up. We're in the A-frame, as you guys could probably see, maybe not. I'll show you footage from out there. We got some ducks right here. Just tons of mallards and some wage mixed in. You can't see, but Lisa is up there. We have geese across the creek over here. Some more ducks that drape all the way down the bottom here. We have some honkers out in front of us too. And yeah, that's our spread. Got him. Shoot. Watch the right. Watch them right. Watch them white ones. All right, I'm gonna go get that sucker. Oh, shoot him. Shoot. All right, I'm gonna go get that one. There he is. Come here, old bud. Stud Drake Woody. Absolute beaut. When you hear the talks of a stud wood duck, this is what they talk about, buddy. Wow, an absolute beaut. Look at that bird, dude. Okay, well, maybe the mallards will get up a little later. Right here, left. Shoot it. I don't know. I'll give that one to you. That one's you. Don't know. Watch on the right. Watch on the right. That's a drake. That's you, Jack. That's all you. Just wait though. Those mallards might come over here. You're official.
Holy, what a net.
That is another Drake Woody for you, bud.
Oh boy.
It's turned out to be a good day.
Dude, I am shaking. I am shaking. Look at that.
Oh, no. Right now, yeah. Shoot it, boy. You got one. Here he comes. Well, you crippled that one. She Susie.
She's still swimming?
Yeah, shoot her on the bank. Shoot her on the bank. Bam, baby, bam. Jack, how you feeling, man?
I feel great, man. Great first time duck hunting.
First to ever duck hunt.
First ever.
First ever. And Cort was having a decent one. Felt a little sick. It's okay though.
It's okay.
Cort is still kicking, and that's all that matters. So we got 4 ducks, 1 Susie, or 2 Susies, 1 mallard, 1 wood duck, and 2 Drake wood ducks. So we did a pretty good morning so far.
1 Susie.
1 mallard Susie.
Ah.
Yeah. So we got to pick up all this crap here, and we're gonna head back, and we might be going to go do some jump shooting later down the creek. And if you guys see any of that next, then that was from that. And if not, this is the end right here, right now. So we're gonna get after it, pick up all of our crap, and hit the road. Jack's gotta head back and do what now?
Baseball practice.
Baseball practice, because he's a baseball kid, right, Jack?
I don't want to be filmed, man. Come on, man.
Bro, looks like he's from Twilight.
This is what I am.
Holy crap. Holy crap. I was too scared to shoot. Oh my god. Did you see him? That was awesome. Oh. I don't want to shoot him in the grass. Oh, they're gonna come around. They're gonna come around. Oh, they just dumped right there. Ow. I'm gonna take this one out with me. Yeah. I thought I was gonna get 2. Rally. First up down. First up down.
These have to stop before 6.
Oh, careful. It's not gonna be deep. Do you want to carry the gun or no? Okay. Grab my gun. Grab the gun. Grab the gun. Grab the gun. No. Yeah, that was really far. And as soon as we came out, I seen him, and I was like, oh my god. And then he started groaning and honking. I was like, we just gotta shoot him. You guys might be asking me, why did you shoot twice? Well, that was a far shot, and I want to make sure this whole sun here was dead. It's 3 o'clock, and been having kayakers come through. It has been dead. And finally, I seen old sun here landed up here, so I came down and gave her the old 1-2 bam. Oh, and Susie got it. Suze, I'm sorry. Green don't affect the meat, I tell you what. If we were to get any more mallards coming in, I'm just gonna shoot drakes, but I'm pretty desperate here. I'll take a Suze here. Take a Suze any day. What do you think about that chicken sandwich, dog? What in the world? You snag a fry?